Video, we will solve minimum operation to sort a string lead code problem. In this problem, we are given a string s containing lowercase English letter. In one operation, you can select any substring of s, but you cannot select the whole string. The only scenario is like if you are given a string s is equal to abc, then you can only select ab or bc. You have to left at least one character, either from the left or right or mid. You cannot left element from mid. Either you can choose ab or bc. You cannot choose ac because this is not a substring. So we have to return the minimum number of operation required to sort. So what are the cases here? One case is if the arrays, if the string is already sorted, then we don't need any operation. So we will return 0. Yeah. Then the second scenario is like here is not any condition on the length of the substring. You can choose any length. Then we will choose the maximum length because if we sort the maximum length, then our solution is more optimal. Like our result is more optimal. So we will choose the maximum length as possible. So what is the maximum length possible if we cannot choose the whole string? Then that is n minus 1. If length of the string is n, then the maximum length which we can choose following the condition of we cannot choose the whole such string, then the n minus 1. Then then we can choose either from the left n minus 1 or the right n minus 1. There is a only possible case is like a c d. You can either choose, let me choose the other color. Either you cannot choose in mid n minus 1 length because then one character is left from the right side and the one character from the left side. So the n minus 1 length possible only if you choose the whole on the left side, either whole on the right side. This will give your optimal result. So when the string will become sorted, if you sort either the left part or the right part, only when the string becomes sorted if either the first character is placed at correct position or the last character is placed at or you can say maximum uh, max element is placed at the end, or first element is placed at the first position. Like if your string contain a, then if a is present at first index, no matter what is present on the right side, if a is present on the first index, then the answer is always in one operation you can sort this array, because you can choose this right part and sort this right part, then the whole array, whole the string will become sorted like b c x d. Then if you sort this part, then the whole string will become sorted. Or you can say the last element, or maximum element is placed at the at end. Like if, like you can say b a c d x. If x is placed at the correct position, then you can easily sort this string in one operation. If you choose whole left part, and if you convert this sort, then it will become sorted in one operation. So if the string satisfy this condition, like after sorting this part or after sorting this part, then the whole string will become sorted. Or the other case is, let me an other case is possible, like case third is, if in two operation what you can do, in two operation you will choose the both n minus 1 length from the right side and n minus 1 from left side. Like if this is a string, you will choose in two operation, you will choose the maximum length from the left side and maximum substring from the right side. That will give you the optimal result, because you are choosing the maximum length of substring. So it is always possible in two operation. If you sort this, it will become AC, and if you sort this, like it will become this. If you sort this, then it will become ABC. But it will fail in one cases. Like if you see EDC, if array is, if the minimum element is present at the end and maximum is present at the first, then you cannot sort in two operation. You are not able to sort the string in two operation, because it is always the first element. Like if you sort this, then it will become DEC, but you can never place this C to first index, because this is present at last index, then you cannot place it into the first index. You can place only this C, or you can say that minimum character at first index only when this character is not present at the last. If this character is not present at the last, like you can see X, Y, Z, then you can easily choose this part and choose this part. Then if you choose this part, the array will become C, D, E, X, Y, and Z. Then if you choose, this already becomes sorted. No need to do. That means the only case where this two operation is failed, where the first index, first like minimum element is on the last index and the maximum is at first index, then only it failed. For the other cases, it will not fail. Like you can see, suppose this is the case, or you can say minimum is, yeah. If you see this, we have to erase A because we need to check if DAC, then here is only one condition is followed. Like the minimum character is at end, but maximum is not on the first. Then you can sort this array into operation, because if you choose, then you can sort this array into operation by choosing. If you sort this C, then it will become CE, and in the second operation you will choose this subarray, and it will become CD. So if the minimum element is at the last index and the maximum is at the first index, then only you cannot do the sort the array in ascending order. For the other cases, you can do in two operation. Let me show you the code. Yeah, this is for the condition where array is already sorted. Already sorted. Here we are checking that either doing the sorting out in the first part and placing the character of the last is at their position, or doing the fixing the first character and sorting the right side, sorted suffix and sorted prefix. If the array will become sorted, then we will return 1. And for the this condition is for like if the example, like if the size of the string is 2, then we have to check it is already like you can never sort this array, this substring or this string, because you always need to choose the whole substring, then you can only sort this string. So for that we will return -1. And for the other cases, for the last third one, we just need to find the minimum character. What is minimum character and what is the maximum character? We need to choose the minimum character. Maybe in the string there are more than one minimum and more than one maximum. Then we need to for the maximum we need to choose the maximum index, and for the minimum we need to choose the minimum, because we trying to force this condition. So we need to minimum index as minimum possible, because we are checking that minimum at last. Then we are trying to find the index. If suppose a is present at 2 times, then we will always choose the first one, because this will never will be n minus 1 or last. So we will try for the minimum index, and for the maximum we will try the maximum index. If the maximum index is equal to the first, or you can say that the maximum element is present at the first index, and also the minimum character is present at the last, then we need 3 operation. For the other cases we will return 2. I will share this code in chat.